Right, I'm Malala, chapter 8, now with more shadows. Let's see how we go. So, chapter 8 is really short. The only thing we really need to get is we Muslims believe our fate is written by God. Might be useful, might not be, actually wouldn't worry about it too much. And we've got a bit of nature. They're talking about how nature was destroyed. But in the earthquake, again, not too juicy, nothing too much to report there. Alright, let's read this a little bit. Bottom of 88. The boys learn the Quran by heart, rocking back and forth as they recite. They learn that there is no such thing as science or literature, that dinosaurs never existed, and that man never went to the moon. The moon. So obviously we know, without even saying anything, that Malala will not be a fan of this description. It's obviously the religious teaching approach that she doesn't like at all. And then they said it was caused by women's freedom and obscenity, and they've got gender roles, which is what colour? I've got it sort of squished in on the side there, in case you can keep up as we go along. But gender roles for me is green. I'm trying to keep it consistent and help myself out. I've got here Jamat al-Dawa. Don't know what that means at this point. But if we do not mend our ways and introduce Sharia or Islamic law, they shouted in their thundering voices, more severe punishments would come. So you can really get a clear picture of why she will very shortly become a refugee and why she will flee this place. So we're moving on to part 2, which is kind of talking about the different place that they moved to before sort of heading out. So that's chapter 8.